So eto na yung nagkiklaim na sila raw yung top-notch na xiaolongbao sa Taiwan. Kaya naintriga kami at tinry namin yan. Pag naglalakad-lakad ka sa Ximending Night Market, medyo imposibleng mamiss to. Kasi ang lalakas ng mga speakers nila promoting na eto daw yung best place to eat xiaolongbao. In-order namin itong lu rufeng, which is braised pork that is served on top of rice. Syempre xiaolongbao at yung soup. 100 NTD each, so 300 yung total ng bill namin. At dahil extra haggard and pagod itong araw na to, inuna ko agad itong soup na merong parang squid balls. It's very chewy with a really good bite to it, and the soup is very mild and delicate and savory. Ito na yung lu rufeng. Kung mapapansin nyo, very fatty yung pork na ginamit dito, and it's super soft. It melts in your mouth talaga. Very common to sa lahat ng makakainan mo dito. Merong ganito sa menu, and I was expecting it to be a little bit sweet, parang pares. Pero actually hindi. Malinamnam siya na maraming spices. Malasang malasa, and I really enjoyed it. Tapos eto na, xiaolongbao na tayo. Isa-serve nila yan ng meron nakasashay na chili and soy sauce. Ikaw na ang bahalang magtimpla, pero tinry ko muna ng walang sausawan. Sobrang init at ang dami niyang broth sa loob. It's very tasty and it's really good. Better than the one that I had sa Jofen Old Street. So hindi nga sila ng bobola. Talagang masarap to. But is it good enough to be the best xiaolongbao in Taiwan? I'm not really sure. Up next, sinubukan namin yung pinakadinudumog na milk tea dito na may kapares na chicken na may ginto.